Well, new tonight, addressing the issue of homelessness. It's a big topic in central Ohio as the population booms. Tonight, this region is facing an affordable housing crisis. According to a report from the Community Shelter Board, there are only 26 housing units available for every 100 households considered extremely low income. So, is there a solution, and what else can be done?
Well, 10 TV's Tara Jabor spoke with one organization about the housing they provide and their future plans for those who are homeless here in central Ohio.
As the population in Franklin County grows, they also expect the homelessness population to grow. Now, this facility behind me, right off the Lockbourne Road, is a part of the solution to affordable housing.
Carolyn Ford has been living at Touchstone Field Place for about 2 years.
I'm very happy that I have a home. When I got out the car and I seen the place, I said, well, I'm home.
This bench outside near her community garden is one of her favorite places to relax and work.
We had tomatoes, green beans, cucumbers.
During the pandemic, her life changed, leading her to being homeless. Then she lost her job.
When I got sick with COVID-19, I ended up losing my apartment, so I had to move into the shelter.
Carolyn is a part of the Community Housing Network's permanent and supportive housing. It's affordable housing, so residents pay about 30% of their income and the rest is paid for. But it's more than housing. They also provide supportive services in-house.
It's either usually a mental health disorder, maybe an addiction, maybe some other trauma-related issue. And so they tend to not have a support system to help them through that. It interrupts their ability to then maintain housing.
They look to break the cycle of homelessness, an issue that is continuing to grow in central Ohio.
More and more people won't be able to afford their housing, and that is driving up homelessness. It's at an all-time high in our community, and it's definitely a trend that we need to work on reversing as soon as possible.
Set up in here and feed.
For Carolyn, she hopes others who are in her position of being homeless can get the help and support that they need.
Rest of the people here in Columbus at least would help the homeless people, and so they can get housing.
And the Community Housing Network is expanding this building. They're building 44 more units right next door that will open in the next couple of years. Reporting in Columbus, Tara Jabor, 10 TV News.